दुनिया की टॉप 4 फर्म्स जो सीए या सीपीए सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करती हैं collectively Big Four कहलाती है. There is a lot of fuss about working in the Big Four and a lot of us aspire to work with Big Fours. Not only people working in the finance background want to work with Big Fours, but even the people working with softwares, consultation and other fields want to work with Big Fours. I'm CS Srishti Agrawal and I started my career with one of the Big Fours. So today I will discuss with you some pros and cons of working with Big Fours. So let's start with some of the benefits or pros of working with the Big Four. The 4 firms which are collectively called Big Fours are Deloitte, PwC, EY and KPMG. The first benefit of working with Big Four is that you will be working with the best and the brightest of people in your field. These people can prove to be great examples and mentors for your career. The habits and qualities that you pick up from working with these people will stay with you for the rest of your career and help you immensely. World-class experience of working with some of the best clients in the world. The breadth and quality of the clients that you'll find in Big Four is unrivaled, so the experience that you get here will be unique and you'll have a great exposure. Above average benefits. The packages and benefits that you'll get at Big Four will be on an average better than working anywhere else in the industry. And I'm not just talking about the monetary terms, but the add-on benefits and facilities that you get at Big Four are one of the best in the world. The next point is expertise in a certain field. So the work in Big Fours is divided in a very specialized manner. For example, in the tax department, you will find 6 to 8 specific departments for a specified, very specialized skilled area. So if you spend at least 3 to 5 years in a certain field, Big Four gives you the opportunity to become a specialist in a certain field and to work in and out in that subject. Apart from being a specialist in a certain subject, you also learn the X factor of working. Expert knowledge आ गई और किसी फील्ड के सारे रूल समझ में आ गए, सब टाइप के केसेस समझ में आ गए, आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ गया. बट इज दैट इनफ? अगर आप एक बिग फोर में काम कर रहे होंगे, यू विल लर्न द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आई फील दैट are lacking in small and mid-sized firms. For example, the presentation, the way of writing emails, the extra in the work, which is generally ignored, or I would say not given that much importance in other firms, but Big Fours take those things very seriously. The prestige and respect that comes with working in a Big Four. So when you're working with the world's largest organization and serving the best clients in their respective industries, it is most obvious that you will gain immense respect and prestige. Job security. The Big Fours have remained untouched by the financial crisis or the instability that keeps on happening in the world, so they also provide job security. There will always be someone at the head of their business and they will want to go for advice and their compliances to the best in the world. A huge resume boost. If you have worked with Deloitte, EY, KPMG or PwC, it will give you a smooth entrance to any accounting firm in the world or any corporate for that matter. Experience at a Big Four is a seal of approval. Working with a Big Four gives you the opportunity to handle large amount of responsibility early in your career. Big Fours are full of opportunities. If you have it in you and you can prove it, you will get great opportunities, great responsibilities very early in your career, and when it comes to learning, sky is the limit. The last point is international opportunities. अगर आप बाहर जाना चाहते हैं, कहीं और सेटल होना चाहते हैं, तो Big Fours are a very good place to work at because Big Fours have offices all over the world. So it is very likely to get an opportunity to move from a country to another. So this was the part 1 of the video. In the next part, we will discuss the cons or disadvantages of working with the Big Four. I'll see you next week.